Survivor, we believe that we should film in a tropical rainforest biome. We were thinking that the Amazon rainforest would be an interesting place and challenging for the new season. The tropical rainforest biome can not only be found in South America, but also in the northern parts of Australia and Central America. This picture is a picture of the northern coast of Australia. It is beautiful, isn't she? This is a map of where the tropical rainforest biome is located all over Central America. Everywhere. The tropical rainforest climate is hot, wet, humid, and rainy. The contestants can make their shelter out of wood in a provided tarp. A gray tarp, to be specific. One problem that the contestants will face is dangerous animals such as the poison dart frog. If it stings you, you will be dead within the hour. They could easily find food because there are countless fruits such as bananas, fresh avocados, and even cashews. You can also find many indigenous plants to eat, such as coconut, ginger, pineapples, and peanuts. There are many native animals that you can eat, such as wild boar, deer, wild pig, sloth, monkeys, and even, you know it, alligators, although I recommend you stay away from them, even if they are edible. The trees and animals of the tropical rainforest are quickly vanishing due to poaching and deforestation. There are conservation efforts such as planting new trees and having parks that protect the plants and animals. Each team competing for the reward challenge will receive a cannon to be exact. They have to race through the tropical rainforest to try and find a cockatoo. Precisely, Dave. When they find one, they must take a picture and then give it to the show host, Jeff Probst. When they get a picture, they will race back to their original checkpoint where they began and will be given poly spots. Each team member will try to land them on Amazonic water lilies, and they have to have at least one poly spot on 5 water lilies to win. They will be rewarded with a new tarp, a tent, and a survivor fire building kit. Each tribe will get flint, a tarp, a chicken, a canteen, and fishing gear. The canteen is no specific type, but will match the team colors, just for the fun of it. The contestants will make fire with wood and the flint provided, but they will have to boil their water to get rid of any bacteria unless they want to die. We will not damage the environment, but we will use wood such as loose branches or twigs, not any trees. We are not cutting trees down. We are not animals. Well, actually we are, but still. Me, Grace, Ellie, and Tyler would all like to thank you for watching this video.